Is there a proper human diet that we all could be healthier on and live more happy?
Absolutely, yeah, and I've been working on kind of the principles of what I call a proper human diet, because we're all really searching for the proper human life.
Yeah.
We're searching for the proper human diet, the proper human way of being in a relationship. We all want to do things right? That's human nature, to want to, is there a better way to do this? Let me find that way and do that. And then around the campfire at night, I'm going to teach the rest of the tribe how to do that thing better too. That's how we became the species that we are. With these cameras and the internet and those power lines, that's how we did all that, was by slowly getting better, right? So a proper human diet is filled with foods. They don't cause inflammation. They're nutrient dense. They're foods that human beings have been eating for thousands of years, not 10 or 20 years since they've been invented and put on the source shelf. They're foods that actually reverse chronic diseases. They're foods that don't cause chronic diseases to get worse. Now, I think there's a spectrum. I think for some people, they can do low carb with real whole foods that humans have eaten for thousands of years, like vegetables, like meat of any kind, like eggs of any kind, seafood of any kind, and you use real fats that humans have used for thousands of years, like butter and tallow and lard. Those are the things that your great-great-grandmother cooked with. She didn't cook with margarine, and if you'd have took her a container, she'd have probably thrown it in the garbage. Once she realized that the cat wouldn't eat it and the ants wouldn't eat it, your grandmother she was a smart lady. She would not have eaten that if the cat wouldn't lick it, right? Because if the cat gets in the butter dish, they'll eat every bit of it because it's real food. And so real fats, real meats, real vegetables. Some people can do low carb and that's all they need to do. Some people need to cut down the carbs even more to keto or ketogenic. And some people, especially people who fatten and develop type 2 diabetes very, very easily, who have autoimmune conditions, who have chronic inflammation, they need to go carnivore. So the full spectrum of a proper human diet, it's not just one diet for everybody. It's a spectrum from low carb all the way to the lion diet. If you've got severe multiple autoimmune conditions and chronic severe inflammation, you may need to do a lion diet, which is only ruminant meat, salt, and water for 90 days. And then after that 90 days, you can decide, do I stay here or do I go to carnivore? Do I stay carnivore? Do I go to keto? I can play around anywhere on the proper human diet spectrum until I find the way of eating that gives me my best health. Because isn't that what we're all looking for? To be the best we can be?
Have you found that so many of the people you've shared this information with suddenly are off all of the medications, type 2 diabetes is gone, and their doctor becomes a golf partner, but not someone to manage their health and wellness?
It's so obvious, Dr. Kiltz. So you'll have somebody come to one of my YouTube videos. They've got type 2 diabetes, hypertension, they're morbidly obese. They're on 3 medicines for their diabetes, 3 medicines for their blood pressure, right? Definitely on something for cholesterol, because that's going to be, they're trying to get that down as well. Maybe on something just to protect the kidney function from the diabetes and hypertension. And they're like, oh, carnivore, that's weird. Just eat meat. I mean, I love meat, but my doctor acts like I should cut down on red meat, but I've been listening to my doctor, which is something doctors think their patients don't do, but they do. They're listening to you. It's just that the diet you're recommending is either undoable or it just ain't working. That's what's wrong. Your patients are listening to your dietary recommendations. So they're like, screw it. I've been doing what he said. It didn't work. I'm going to try this carnivore for 90 days. After a few weeks, they got to stop one of the blood sugar medicines because their blood sugar is getting low. Another couple of weeks, they got to stop one of the blood pressure medicines because their blood pressure is getting too low. And as the weeks turn into months, they keep having to stop medication. And so they go back for their 3-month follow-up appointment. And they're like, Doc, I had to stop 2 of these blood sugar medications and 2 of the blood pressure medications. And I didn't need the one for cholesterol because I've been watching some videos about that. Oh, also, I've lost 40 pounds. Now, imagine you're a classically trained doctor and you see this patient comes to you and you're like, what the heck? What kind of diet is it? He thinking it's probably DASH. They're probably doing DASH diet, right? And they're like, I've been eating nothing but meat, eggs, and seafood. That's it. Meat, beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. That's all I've been eating. He's like, right? Like,
What's going on?
That's not going to do that. And they're like, dude, I lived it for 90 days. I'm telling you it did it. The first patient that doctor sees, he's going to be like, I don't know what they must have cancer. I probably need to do a body-wide PET scan or something wrong with them. But then this doctor, a few months later, he has another patient comes. Same story, doing carnivore. Then 2 more come. Same story, doing carnivore. Same progress, same improvement. At some point, any doctor worth a damn, when you see a pattern that consistent and a signal that strong, what's your choice? As a rational human, you're like, crap, there must be something to this carnivore diet. And then they go home and they watch a few YouTube videos. And then all of a sudden, they try it. They don't tell nobody. Maybe don't even tell their spouse, but they try it for 90 days. And at the end of that 90 days, guess what diet they're going to recommend to every single patient they see for the rest of their career? Carnivore diet. Because not only did it work for all those patients, some of which own businesses, some of which are professionals, these are not morons, and then they tried it and it worked for them too. That's it. That's the end of it. Now they're telling everybody keto or carnivore, that's what you need to be doing. And that's how we change the world, is enough patients go to the same doctor enough times and the doctor tries it and then he's like, okay,